So welcome dreamers, this is Ravindra Thube, faculty at BYJU'S Exam Prep, and we are in the session of reality check and precise plan of action. So good evening everyone, let the student join and then we will kickstart our session. So let the student join first of all. So we are at the mid of very interesting session, and that session is nothing but checking up the reality and what will be a precise plan of action for GATE 2023 aspirants. This is what? Right, fine. So quickly ask the students to join so that we will start. Right, fine. So let the students start first of all, and then we'll particularly start this particular session. Is it okay? Right, fine. So let's see that, sir. I'll just introduce myself. This is Ravindra Thube, faculty at BYJU'S Exam Prep. I secured All India rank 79 in GATE examination 2010. All India rank 79, and I am an alumni of IIT Kharagpur. I'm taking a lot of pride for that, and almost 10 years of teaching experience. And most importantly, I mentored more than 50,000 students. They are very genuine students that they learn some subjects from me. And if I want to show you one simple story, that is nothing but I was a part of some great organization where I was teaching this subject. Right, fine. So let the student join, and we will talk very simple strategy that how exactly things we can do. Right, we will be interested to talk about what will be a preparation strategy. Right, fine. So now let's say that this is really a high time. Is it a really high time? Yes, sir, this is really a high time. Isn't it a high time? Yes, it's high time. Now we are just 4 months away from GATE examination. Right, fine. We are at 4 months away from GATE examination, and I'll say that these 4 months, if you utilize properly, can be also sufficient to get a good rank in GATE examination. These 4 months, if you plan properly, and if you basically, I'll say that, Parth Patel, good evening, Pulika Vijay, G Chandra, Nitya S, right, fine, good evening everybody, good evening everyone, right, fine, and we'll only talk about things which are definitely going to be important as far as students are concerned. There is no doubt into it, and it will be very good exercise for you to check where you are standing. Nitya S, good evening. Right, fine. So I was talking about that, sir, these 4 months are just sufficient. These 4 months are also just sufficient to get good rank in GATE examination. There is no denying fact. But you have to understand the inner meaning of the GATE examination. What is examination? How we should prepare, and so on. And there is very important question. So let's say that you must have start preparing for GATE examination. And when you started preparing for GATE examination, you must be having certain aim in your mind. The aim might be anything. I'm not commenting on that. That can be anything. You must be having what? Aim. You must be having some dreams. And I'll say that, sir, having a dreams which are very small is a crime and injustice to yourself. You should have a dream. So your dream might be joining PSUs, might be joining for CSIR, BARC or DRDO, or might be you want to join to the NIT Bombay, or MTech in IIT in ISEs, or MSc or PhD. It can be anything. It can be what? Anything. As simple as that. But I will ask you a question. Have you checked on that? If I want to join for PSUs, that is HPCL, BPCL, ONGC, just now recruitment is started for 2020 qualification. And we guess that in this coming year, 23 and 24, there will be a bumper vacancies will come as far as PSUs are concerned. Because 2 years where there were no vacancy, now there will be so many vacancies will be coming. So many vacancies will be coming. Now I will ask a simple question to you, and that is nothing but, have you checked on that as far as PSU is concerned? How much is the rank you should score? Last 5 years tells us that. I'm telling you very honestly, last 5 years roughly, that if you have a rank below 300 or 400, then only you will join a good PSU. And there are certain other PSUs also where you'll get a call up to 600, 700. But basically, if you want to join PSU, everyone, read, understand properly. What is that? If you want to join PSU, so I'll say that your rank has to be below 500, irrespective of your branch. Any branch you belong to, any branch, you might be belong to mechanical engineer or civil or electrical or electronics or anywhere. I'll require PSU. अगर आपको जाना है, तो rank has to be below 500. Below 500, then you'll say that, okay, fine, I can go to the PSU. I can join to the PSU. As simple as that. Now, as far as CSIR, that is BARC and DRDO is concerned, then what is that? Sometimes BARC and DRDO is conducting their own examination. But that examination is based on what? Examination is based on GATE examination only. Same particular syllabus is there. You have to study same, only previous year question paper you tackle. But there also, if they recruit through GATE examination, then also their rank has to be below 500. So if you want to join PSUs or BARC or DRDO, 500 के नीचे rank लेके आना है. 500 below 500 you have to have a rank. As simple as that. Now if you want to go to NITI Bombay, then the dynamics changes. NITI Bombay is a PGDM course, and the most of the students are open for that. There is no restriction. Now postgraduate diploma in management, for that generally 800 to 900 up to even students are getting called. But for GATE examination, only 40% weightage is reserved. And rest of the 60% weightage is given by NITI Bombay for what? The GD and PI they conduct. So if you want to go to NITI Bombay, then your rank should be below 700. All India rank I am talking about. AIR below 700. Then you'll get a rank, and then you have to perform well in the case of what? In the case of that GD and the PI. GD and PI. Same cases here, 500. Below 500 rank has to be there for NITI Bombay. Ranjit. Yes? Yeah, fine. MTech. So now I'll say that if you want to go to MTech, again it will vary. Which IIT you want to go? You want to go to IIT Bombay, ISE Bangalore, then IIT Kanpur, IIT Delhi, then the rank has to be higher. If you want to go to the Kharagpur or Roorkee or some other IITs, then the rank, even below rank, will get admission. Again, it will depend on branches. Which branch? If you want to go for a very core branch, then rank also has to be higher. But if I ask you simple thing, below 1000 rank, I'll say that you have a good chance to go to IITs or NITs. Good chance. You will go to IITs or NIT if you have 1000 rank. So depending upon your what exactly is your aim, you have to bank on 500, below 500 or 700 or 1000. And if you want to go to MSc and PhD, I'll say that even 2000 ranked people are also getting admission to the MSc and the PhD. Depending upon IITs, so many IITs are there, so many NITs are there. So definitely you'll get admission. Now I'll ask a question that if your dream is PSU, then you have to study according to get a rank below 500. If your aim is NITI Bombay, then below 700 and so on. Right, fine. Now sir, how to approach GATE examination? It's $1 million question. Simple thing, I'll tell you that if you want to go for GATE examination, first of all, you understand the pulse of examination. What is meant by pulse? First of all, you go through syllabus and what exactly weightage given to each subject. Most of the students don't have syllabus. I'll ask you that you go and take a printout of syllabus first of all. Whatever GATE 2023 syllabus is there, you take a printout and disperse that printout at every place in your home. Where every corner there has to be printout. So what should be the strategy to study industrial engineering? We'll talk about that. We'll talk about Nitya. We'll talk about that. So what you should do, you should first of all take a printout of syllabus, whichever branch you would be. But you should have a syllabus and read the syllabus patiently. You read that, which subjects are there, what points are enlisted there, that you have to go through very, very seriously. And most important point is there, and that is nothing but you should go through last 5-year question papers and understand what is the weightage given to most of the subjects. What is weightage given to aptitude, mathematics, and then rest of the technical subject. If you are mechanical, then production, thermal, SOM, and so on. If civil, geotechnology, right, geotech engineering. If you're electrical, machines, and in electronics, EDC. So what is weightage given? What is the weightage? Take that printout. And whenever you are taking that printout, keep that printout everywhere. Paste that printout. Most of the students don't know what is the weightage. And you are appearing for GATE examination. If you are aware, I'll say that very good. But if you don't aware, then I will guarantee that you should have printout of your syllabus. And you should have printout of your what? Of your what? Particularly GATE weightage. And now from here you'll get pulses. So if you want to appear for GATE examination, then you should study the subject first, which are consisting of the highest mark. It's very, very important. What is the point in studying material science and mechanical, which comes for 1 mark? I'm not denying material science is the worst subject. It is very good subject. It is very interesting subject. It is important. But is it important for GATE examination? You have to pick and choose. The strategy itself will decide how many marks and what is the rank you'll get it. So I'll ask you first of all, you should start studying the subject which has the highest weightage, without a doubt, because you have to apply 80-20 principle. What is meant by 80-20 principle? 80-20 means maximum subjects, or as a minimum subjects which are covering maximum mark. These are the subject you have to cover. This subject you have to cover. It's very, very important for GATE examination. Very, very important. So I'll do one thing, that I'll just look it into mechanical, sir. And one more thing is very important here. General aptitude and mathematics consist of what? 28 marks. Students are not studying that. Students are deciding that, okay, at the end, I'll study. It's a very wrong approach. I did the same mistake 10 years back, and that's why my rank was 79. If I could have studied aptitude, English and mathematics, I could have get single digit rank. It's very important for you to understand the importance of mathematics, because at the end, whatever the gate score is coming, you tell me that, is it going to make a difference that in which subject you score? It's a gate score. It's a rank that you will reach to PSU or IITs or DRD or ISRO. You need to understand the gravity of it. So therefore, I'll say that, sir, it's very important to study the subject which gives you maximum mark. I'll not be emotional. I'll not be emotional in that particular term. Is it okay? Yes. Hello, Priyanka. Hello, Priyanka. I'll not be emotional in that particular term. I'll not be emotional. I will just do one thing. What I'll do, I'll just study the subject which is having highest weightage. So two parameters I discussed here. Take a weightage, take a printout of syllabus and take a printout of this particular subject-wise weightage. Next, understand examination. Everybody knows that. But have you went through that pulse of examination? Sir, there are 30 questions of 1 mark and 35 questions of 2 marks. Now you have to decide when you appear for GATE examination, which questions you'll bank first. Whether you'll go for 2 marks question or 1 mark question. Because if you lift one question of 2 mark, there will be a big dent. But if you leave one question of 1 mark, it's okay. So therefore, I personally feel, this is my perception. I'm not denying I'm wrong or I'm right. I'm just sharing my views. So you have to bank on one thing, that sufficient time should be allotted to solve 2 marks question. Whichever 35 questions are there of 2 marks, you should give the sufficient time. No question should be untouched, remain untouched. Kalyan, very good. No question should be remain untouched. I think you are understanding this. No question should be remain untouched as far as what 2 marks is concerned. As far as GATE examination, you have to do planning like that. Student Physics Academy, super Kalyan, super. Right, fine. Now, sir, there are 3 types of questions are there. What are there? Multiple select, right? Multiple choice and numerical answer type. Even students are confusing themselves. I'll give you simple. I'll not go into detail of here. Very simple. Sir, point to understand here, in multiple select question. This is multiple choice question, not multiple select. It's multiple choice question. That means multiple choice are there. So for a multiple choice question, you need to understand that there is a negative marking. And you should be so cautious when there is a negative marking comes in the picture. You should be so cautious. Why you should be so cautious? Because if you take a chance on that multiple choice question, there is a chance that you will get a negative reward. So what you should do, you should always be cautious that if I'm attempting multiple choice question, I should be 100% correct. If I'm not sure, I'll not touch that question because there is negative mark. If there is a negative mark, why should I attempt? The guessing work will not work there. Guess you should not do. If you are 100% sure, then only you attempt that question. Multiple choice question. If you are not sure, leave it. Don't worry about it. When you're sure, then only attempt it. Now, whenever you talk about multiple select, there are multiple options should be there. And out of that, multiple options could be correct. But there is no negative marking. So I can take a chance here. I have no negative marking. Even if I don't know, I'll take a chance. No issues. If I'm 50-50, I'll give answer, no issues. But as far as multiple choices question is concerned, I'll say that you should refrain from attempting such questions if I'm not sure. I hope so. You are understanding this. I'm taken admission to ME Mechanical Engineering and I'm first year. So I can watch and prepare. Yes, you can watch. There is no denying fact. Right, fine. Now next is what? Next question is nothing but numerical answer type question. Sir, it's very simple. There is a numerical answer would come and again there is no negative marking. So you do whatever you want. You calculate and you also can take a chance here. I'm not saying that every time you have to take a chance. But if there is no negative marking, you can go for that. So you have to understand pulse. 30 questions are 1 mark. 35 questions are 2 marks. So make a strategy along with that. I have a simple strategy. 1 hour I'll devote for 1 hour out of 3 hours. I'll devote for 1 mark question and rest of the 2 hours anyhow condition I'll devote for 2 marks question in GATE examination. As simple as that. And now numerical answer type questions and these whatever 3 types of questions are there, I'll be so cautious about multiple choice question. If there is 100% surety, then only I'll attempt. Otherwise, I'll leave it. Is it okay? Yes, this is the best strategy. Now you have decided that we are understanding GATE examination. We understand which subjects are important. Now we understand that, okay, we have to study like that. But can I say that everyone on the earth required guidance? You required guidance, I required guidance, everybody on the earth required a guidance of some kind. Is it true? Yes, sir. And there is no harm in asking somebody or taking guidance. You can prepare by yourself also. There is no denying fact, but generally there is a guidance required. Generally what required? Guidance required by the students. So now what I'll expect and what I'll ask, simple story. Now you decide where you have to associate it. I'm not saying you go online or offline or here and there. You decide by yourself. You decide by what? Yourself. If you decide by yourself, you have to stick to that faculty and that organization. Don't change the row here and there and here and there. Don't follow anyone. Only follow the people who you feel are delivering the best content possible. That will be help for your preparation, and most importantly, it will give something boost to my preparation journey. So you have to associate to that, right? Now you are associated to some organization, right? Fine, and there is no problem. Now here it comes the big problem. The big problem in today's generation, do you know that? What is the problem? Students are understanding, or students are required to understand fundamentals only in shorts. They require fundamentals only in 1 hour or 2 hours. Teach production only in 2 hours. Teach only mathematics. Teach only numericals. But you tell me that shorts, these shorts are so dangerous. From the shorts, you cannot achieve the rank. Please understand that. You have to understand that from the short, you cannot understand and get the rank. So I will request you that you have to ready to go through all the syllabus possible, and when you are going through that syllabus, you make sure that previous 20 years question should be solved. If even single question is not getting solved, there is a chance that it will demote your rank. Isn't it? Yes, absolutely. Because if you are not studying the 100% syllabus, how exactly it is possible you'll get a rank? And that short, I don't understand that short. You don't go for that. So you have to understand proper theory. You have to digest that theory, understand the formulas, then solve the numericals, previous year questions you solve, IES question you solve, database, whatever is there you solve. Whatever questions are there, you keep on solving these questions continuously. And make short notes. It's very important. Suppose I started studying production. Suppose I started studying welding or metal forming or metal cutting. Now, whenever I'm started studying, can I say that while preparation, I'll make short notes? Now, student has having a big misconception about short notes. What does mean by short note? Can you see that on the screen? This is called a short note. We should not write down lengthy sentences, everything you are writing. It's not a pothi. There has to be bullet points or only formulas and abbreviation. So when we look into that formulas will give you marks. That formula is required for solving numericals in GATE examination. So you have to make short notes for every topic you go through. I request you. Can you see that how beautifully these short notes are created? Can you see that how beautifully these short notes are created? So it's very important for you to create a short notes and beautiful short notes. That short notes you can create in a pocket size diary. Pocket size diary you take it. And I'll tell you that how to study actually. Beautiful concept. Suppose I'm studying one topic of mechanical engineering or electrical, electronics, anything. Now, once I'll go through entire fundamental, at the evening, I solve previous year GATE questions, previous year engineering questions, and then I'll be so happy that I studied that, I understood that, okay, fine. But can I say that next day, you may forget something? Again, next day, you may forget something? So, can you carry all the fundamentals after 4 months? There is no guarantee. So, after 10 days, after 5 days, I'm damn sure that you are going to forget something. You are going to forget formulas. You're going to make a mistake in plus and minus a number of things. That is damn sure. So how to overcome that? And that's why these short notes comes in the picture. So what you have to do, today I studied this topic, I made a short notes, and that is pocket size diary. I keep it in my pocket. Wherever I go, I'm going from college to the home to the college, I'm going to the gym, I'm walking, I'm going everywhere. You talk to yourself. You ask question, okay, today I studied this topic. You ask question, what I learn, what formulas I learn, recall these formulas. Ask yourself abbreviations, talk to yourself. If some formulas you are unable to recall, that means your brain is not accepting that formula. You already forgot. Open pocket size diary, immediately at the same point, you recall that and feed that gap which is being created. That was strategy I followed 10 years back, and it gives me a rich dividend. Whenever I used to walk from that organization to my home, I used to talk to myself every day in the morning, evening, night. Every day I used to talk. Every moment I used to talk to myself. And it will help your confidence. It will give you idea that whether whatever studied I'm doing, whether it is accepted by me or not. And reverse calculation also very good. I'll tell you what is reverse calculation. You do one thing. I'll tell you. So once you solve 20 years of question, can you say there is a pattern? Repetitive questions are coming on repetitive fundamentals. And there are some beautiful questions are there. So you ask yourself, what are the beautiful questions asked on EDC, or in that chapter in EDC, or geotech engineering, what is the beautiful questions asked? And if such question comes, what is the formula I have to use? What is the concept I have to use? Can you talk to yourself? You can talk. And this is the way you have to use that formula book and sticky notes. Continuously you have to carry yourself, and then every after 6-7 days you have to revise that topic. Otherwise it will go in a vain. It's very, very important. So I would say that simple story, understand theory. There is no alternative to hard work. There is no alternative for study and sweating blood and the sweat. It's very important. Shorts will not give rank. It will give you entertainment. But law, I would say that it will not give rank. You have to understand that whom to follow, whom not to follow, what to study, what not to study. And whenever you are studying, if your 20 years question are not getting solved, you are in an illusion. You are in an illusion, I'll tell you. I'm telling you, damn sure. So get out of that and be ready to understand fundamental. There is no alternative, right? Fine. So I'll say that's understand theory, digest theory, understand formula, solve questions of previous 20 years, GATE and ESE, relevant questions, and most importantly, make short notes and use that short notes in a beautiful manner. So now your journey has started. You started preparing subject. And most importantly, now you have started preparing what? Started preparing most important subject. And now what will happen? You feel bored. You get bored into that. You'll get bored. And now there are so many things will come. Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, YouTube, Telegram, Tinder, and so many things. I request each and everybody, subconsciously or consciously or unknowingly, youth is investing or wasting valuable time in this nonsense. Delete this app today itself. Or if you don't know, iPhone has one function. Now you download that app and see that how much is the screen on time of yourself. If the screen on time is very high, it's a very alarming situation. Even if you open YouTube, you'll say that, sir, I'm watching your video on YouTube. Should I delete YouTube? Right? But how to use that YouTube, it's very important. How to use it? It's the most important thing. Can I say that you have to use, and constantly you have to ask yourself, am I preparing? Am I wasting valuable time? Am I deviating from my mean path? Am I on the right track? You have to keep on talking yourself. Sometimes you'll feel bored. Accept it. What will happen? Sometimes when you started preparing, your energy will be very high. But gradually when you interact with the fundamentals, can I say energy will come down? Your energy will what? Come down. Then you will feel frustrated. Then you will feel, okay, I don't belong to that Manhattan. But every GATE aspirant who is appearing will go through same emotion. I went through same emotion. All India rank 1 go through same emotion. Everybody goes through same emotion. There is no free lunch. Dinner is even expensive. So therefore, don't worry about it. There are low days are going to become. Your energy will be low. Your morale will be low. You will fail. Nothing will be working. But don't underestimate your power. Don't give up. Once you start the journey, till the end, you should keep on moving in the right direction. Suppose you're getting so bored into subject. You're getting so bored in the life. So do one thing. Go for movie. Watch movie. Spend quality time with your friend, your family. Watch good content. Listen to the good people. Follow good people. Talk good things. Talk motivated things. Sir, these things can be motivate your energy and body. These are very simple things, but I'll tell you that simple things are most difficult on the earth. It's very important for you to understand it. So these emotions are bound to be happen. But how you will maintain yourself and your energy is the key to success. You take 1 day break completely. Don't speak about GATE examination. Go and entertain yourself. Refurbish yourself. Regain your energy. Again tomorrow morning you come. Again there will be a battle. Again you start preparing. And whatever the subject you study from the heart. Study from heart. There has to be heart-to-heart connection. There has to be heart-to-heart connection. You should start getting smile on your faces when you understand fundamental. There should not be any boring things. There should not be any burden. The moment you feel there is a burden, boom, finish. You should not do like that. So you should what? You should bank on what? You should bank on what? Your ability and quality. And these are going to be happen. These things are bound to be happen. So be prepared for that. Be prepared to fall, but never fail to again rise. That's what important. So I'll say that you do one thing while preparing. These emotions are going to come. You take a break. Go and take a movie. Watch movies. Listen. Spend quality time with friends. Again come back. Again start your journey. Now sometimes it might be happen nowadays. Let's see that. Mechanical student or some other student, sir, no vacancy, no job, why should I study? Are you nonsense or what? Now yesterday or today itself, ONGC has declared bumper Bumper vacancy, almost 700 to 800 vacancies are there. Can you believe that? So many PSUs are coming, and coming 2 years will be a bumper vacancies coming for mechanical, civil, electronics, and every branch. You should be ready. Why you're letting down yourself? PSUs are there. Government of India is focusing on Make in India, and they are focusing on defense sector. So defense sector, there are so many PSUs are there, and recruitment is definitely going to happen. If it is from GATE examination or exam conducted parallel to GATE examination. If you prepare for GATE, that means HPCL, BAIL, and so many exams, DRDO, ISRO, BARC, CSIR, or any examination comes, you could be able to crack that examination. So why you let down your pattern? You don't think negative. There is no single bone. There should not be any single negative bone to your body. You should accept what things are there. So I'll say that, sir, don't see lack of motivation and everything. I'll tell you, my dear friends, life is not same for everybody. You are so fortunate on the earth to get a food 2 times. You are so fortunate that you have parents who are taking care of yourself. You don't have a problem of money. People are dying on the Western countries. People don't get education. People have to struggle to get a food 2 times. How fortunate you are. Still you are crying and criticizing somebody else. Don't point somebody else. You have to take care of yourself. You have to take care of yourself. So I'll say that, sir, this is the beautiful strategy. Right, fine. Now assume that you are continuing your preparation. Now you are completing your most important subject. Don't forget to add very important thing into your daily diet. And what is that? Mathematics and aptitude. I have observed that students don't pay attention to mathematics and aptitude. Daily you should study mathematics. Now it is my version of study, right, fine. Because whenever you're studying only one subject, can I say that whenever can I prepare while doing full-time job? Yes, you can prepare. Nice to see you everybody. Vinayak Sai. So I'll tell you a simple story. If GATE examination has 28% of weightage to this subject, so you should study. And mathematics is interesting, aptitude is interesting, English is interesting, and aptitude and English will be utilized for other exam also. Students are not thinking that. When you study aptitude or when you study English, can I say that will be important? Every examination, campus placement, it is important. Any examination conducted on the India or on the planet, there are aptitude, numerical, aptitude and the English. And mathematics will be also there. So what is harm in preparing that? And it will give you change of subject. So your interest will be intact in the day because you will study content. What is that content? You will first of all study a subject. Which subject? Technical subject. And once you study technical subject, you will get a bore. So evening, you start preparing aptitude like a fun, English like a fun, mathematics like a fun. So it will give you a double boost. So your preparation will be continued and simultaneously you will cover certain topics of mathematics, aptitude and English. And when you come to the end of December, I am damn sure that you should cover at least 80% syllabus or 75% to 80%. Now depending upon your aim, right? 80% which consists of 90 marks or more than 90 marks. And most importantly, I request you that accuracy is very, very important. Speed is also important. Accuracy and speed, both are important. Now there is a lot of debate. Accuracy debate, accuracy debate. And most importantly, I'll tell you that what students are doing. Students are taking a one chapter related to anything. Suppose students are taking a production metal cutting, right, fine. Now in the metal cutting also, what students are doing, do you know that? Most important topic in the metal cutting, that's it. Most important topics of metal cutting. Nothing else they study. Only most important topic, most important topic, most important topic. Arey bhaiya, there is no guarantee that on which topic question will come. If you decided to study one subject or one topic, you should study from A to Z. That's it. Otherwise, don't study it. In 2017 or 16, there was one student in my Pune. He studied everything of one chapter and he left only one topic he left because till that point, no question was asked on that topic. And on the same year, 2 marks question was came. And he came after examination to me and he shared that same experience. Can you believe that? You study entire chapter and you left only one topic, but question came only on that topic. Is there written that if question doesn't come on that topic, that means future also there will be no question? Is it like that? No, absolutely not. So you have to understand that if I decided to study that topic, I have to study A to Z. Otherwise, I'll not study. As simple as that. I'll leave. Because I need accuracy. I should know inner thing. I should know everything. It's not like that, sir, what is important, only I'll do that. If and but, then your rank will be also if and but. Your rank will be also what? If and but only. You should not do like that. So if you decided to prepare things, then can I say that you have to prepare each and everything of the subject, and please include mathematics and aptitude daily. Right, fine. At the end of the December, मान लो कि you have prepared for 80% of subjects, right, fine, and continuously you are in a touch of formula book, continuously you are revising. Till the December, one thing you can do, and what is that? You can attempt what I said, you can attempt a mock test. What mock test? Subject wise mock test. You can attempt geotech test, geotechnical engineering, EDC test, or you can be attempt for strength of material, full length test for what? For that subject, not full length mock test, only for subject wise test. Keep on giving subject wise test and analyze that where you are making mistake, continuously till what? December. So once you complete one subject, start preparing for what? Start preparing for that particular Bhaiya, Kalyan. It is difficult, and that's why All India rank also difficult. No? Is it that easy? And why we are talking about All India rank so heavily? Because it's a difficult. We have to accept it. With rank 2, absolutely, right, fine. So I'll say that, sir, till the December you have to appear for what? You can appear. This is my virtue, right? I'm not saying that you have to follow like that. I'm sharing my experience. So till the December, I'll expect that you should appear for subject-wise test. And in the month of January and in the February, somewhere after 6 days, every 6 days, you have to appear for a full-length mock test. So before examination, at least 6 to 10 mock tests you have to appear. How many? 6 to 10 mock tests. It's very important for you to get a feel of that particular subject. How many? 6 to 10 mock tests. Now some say you have to appear for 20 mock tests or 15 mock tests. It is their virtue and their vision. I feel that preferably if you start giving the full length mock test from the January, every 5-6 days you appear for examination, and 6 to 10 depending upon your capacity you appear. But every time you enter to the mock test, you have to feel that this is my final examination. After every mock test you have to analyze where I make a mistake. Is there any problem in the calculation? Is there any problem in the speed? Is there any problem in the reading, or whether my speed is small or speed is less? Everything you have to evaluate. And whenever next time you are going for that particular test, you have to reiterate yourself and avoid making mistake. So when you keep on reiterating, avoiding mistake, reiterating, so when you go at the final battle, you feel like a routine to go there and you will give your best. You will give what? Best. So before that, you should do a practice and the practice. Now in the month of January, I respect that you should not study new subjects. Or up till January 15, you should cover entire syllabus, whatever you want to cover. But after 15, you should keep on revising, only revising, subject revision, formula book and everything. Now I'll give you iconic method of revision. How to do a revision, right? Let's say that this is nothing but the best revision plan, and you will help you, and I'll say that this is going to help you in a damn good manner. So let's say that I have studied one chapter, right, fine, and there are certain 20 years PYQs are there. What is that? 20 years PYQs. PYQs are there. How many? 20 years ka PYQ is there, right, fine. Now when you are studying that, after entire formula and everything, you will start solving these questions. Once you start solving this question, you read the first question and immediately you understand what to use and you calculate answer. Your answer is correct. I'm very happy. Question number you solved by yourself. Balle. Done. Now you go to the question number 2 and then you realize that you are not able to solve that question number 2, which is a previous year question. It is not able to solve. Don't immediately jump to the solution. Don't immediately jump. You stress your brain. You spend some time. Try to draw figures. Try to apply any formulas. If you're not understanding, open the notes. Read the notes again. From that notes, you try to apply certain formulas, certain fundamentals. And if you're able to solve that numerical, can I say that that concept will go to your subconscious mind? And if that concept comes again, I'll bet you that you will never forget to solve that numerical in that manner. 100%, I'm damn sure. 100%. Now you went through third question. Now you read the third question, but doing anything, you are unable to solve. You spent 15 minutes, you went through formula book, you went through concept, you went through everything, but you are unable to solve it. When you are unable to solve it, you do one thing, that you take a circle to it. What you do? You do a circle. This is the circle you do. And what does mean by circle indicates? Circle indicates that this question has threatened me. This question I was not able to solve in the first attempt, even I read all the fundamentals. Now you go and check the solution. Read the solution properly. Understand the solution. Ask yourself why I could not able to understand that solution. Why I could not able to think in that direction. Digest it. Repeat it. Close and solve by yourself. Now you will get some feeling. But there is a circle done. Right, fine. Go to the question number 4. Again, same strategy. If it is solved, okay. If not, again has to follow same pattern. Again, you went to the 5th question. Again, the same story. And then again, you did the circle. So in the first attempt, in a previous 20-year question, you did practice like that. After 10 days or 15 days, when you try to revise, now revision means you just alter the pages, go through formula books, recall that formulas, fundamentals, and try to solve numericals. Which question? First question you should not solve. Don't waste valuable time in solving again same concept, which already you understood. You don't require. Don't go to question number 2. Don't go to question number 4. Directly go to question number 3, where you made a circle. And now you read that question. Immediately your subconscious mind says, sir, I know that. You're able to solve it. Done and dusted. And then you dig here. Now, these questions I can be able to solve. Let this question comes to examination. I'm definitely going to solve this question. Is it accepted? Now you went to the 5th question. But again this time, I again failed. My mind is unable to accept that fundamental. Now again you try by yourself. And if not, go to solution, understand that and add that as a fundamental keynote to your formula book. Because that concept is a threatening to your mind, even repetitively, that concept is not understood by your mind and that concept is not implemented by yourself. And therefore, can I say that very importantly, again you have to make second circle to it. What you do? Again you make a second circle, do a second circle. 2 circles. What does mean by 2 circles? 2 circle means this is very, very critical for me. This is very threatening for me. This is very dangerous for me. Very, very dangerous for me. I'm damn sure. Very dangerous. Very dangerous. It cannot be digested properly. Now that's what for that fundamental I have written a keynote. That keynote is added to my what? That fundamental book or that notebook. Right, fine. And again go to the question number 6 and so on. After 1 month, again you come back. Again you revise. Now again can I say that you directly go to the 5th question. Now already you revise that pattern. So again this is tick. Can I say that likewise every 20 years question should be solved. All the concepts should be digested. All the concepts should be used for solving numerical because same problem cannot be repeated. But what? Can I say fundamentals will keep on repeating. Fundamentals will keep on repeating. Every time fundamentals will keep on repeating. So you should do one thing that even if you are able to solve previous 20 years GATE examination and relevant engineering service examination problem, I am damn sure that you'll through. If you want DRDO, ISRO, BARC, HPCL, PPCL ka bhi questions you solve it. And this is the way by which you have to keep on practicing yourself. And in the last 1 month, you have to do one thing, that meditation. Take proper food, proper sleep, no tension. You should not think about the future. Future jo hoga dekha jayega. Ab tak whatever you have did, you have to be what? Confident about ourselves. Don't think negative points about yourself. You have to think only positive. If somebody is speaking negative, stay away from him. Stay away. And tell him that after GATE examination we'll meet. That's it. You don't require to talk to such people. Only be in a good environment. Listen to good people and continue your preparation. Because health and the mental peace are most important in the last month. Revision, solving questions, appearing for mock test, and then again repeat the thing every time. Now plan, do, check and act principle. Okay, forget about that. So I'll say that what? Formula book revision, mock test analysis, and repeat. Keep on repeating these things continuously for last 1 month. You keep on what? Repeating things. And I'm damn sure that if you follow this practice, I'm damn sure that you will get success in the GATE examination. Why not get success? I'm damn sure you'll get it. But throughout this journey, there will be problems coming. There will be challenges coming. There will be morale will be low. There will be sometimes you feel low. But you have to again refurbish your energy somehow. You have to keep on speaking and talking to yourself continuously. And always follow good people, always listen good content, and be sure that whichever content you are studying, it should be able to cover last 20 years question. If not, then I am on a wrong track. It is very, very, very important. And at last, I'll say that very important. Dekho, what I observe from the student is that they prepare and they plan. Accept it, right? Fine. Now, it is impossible to every human being on the earth to stick to the plan. So you should be flexible. Who told you that every human being on the earth stick to plan? We are making a plan, but you try to reach to 80% of plan. There will be a chance that 20% you are going to spoil. It is accepted, but you have to digest it. Some students, yesterday I did not study, and because of that, they waste today itself. Ki kal mera padhai nahi hua tha, and then he is in a tension, and today also he waste. So therefore, yesterday is history. It cannot come back now. That time I cannot bring back. You have to leave it. You are there to make a mistake. I am there to commit a mistake. We are all there to commit a mistake. Accept it. Now focus on the time right now and start preparing. Continue preparation. So yesterday is a history. Yesterday is history. Tomorrow is mystery. Kya hoga kal kisko pata hai bhaiya? Whether I'll get a rank, I'll get a PSU, I don't know. I do not know. I'm sure. But can I say that today is a gift given, and that's why you have to use that present. That's what it's called as what? Present. You have to use that present to unfold your future. And that's why APJ Abdul Kalam says that you cannot change your future. You cannot change your future, but you can change your habits. And change the habits will definitely change your future. So today I'll say that you have to change your habits right now, right here. Change your habits right now, right here, in such a manner that after the 4 months or 5 months, you will be in a good situation. You'll get a rank, you'll get a PSU, you'll get a job, you'll get an MTech, you'll get everything. But the path will be difficult. And I know that. The easiest path will be what? Foolish path. You have to choose what? The strongest path. And that's most important. So this is what exactly a strategy I just wanted to share with you. I think so this is my perception of studying this. If you have any questions, you can ask me, right? And I'll tell you that if you required a detailed study plan also, how to study subject, how to create a short notes, that also plan will be having, and we'll come up with that particular sections also. Right, fine. Mani niche kuch aaya, dekho to usko nikalo. So I'll say that thank you everybody for joining sessions. I must say that you must have understood something and some strategy. Don't just keep in a mind, keep acting on it. Keep acting on it. Right, fine. So I'll get, sir, lack of motivation. So what is anyone is having any doubt? Right, fine. If you have any doubt, you can ask me the doubt so that we'll try to cover that doubts also. Sir, lack of motivation. I'm really disappointed. I got rank 2096 in 2022. I'm 2020 pass out. 2 year worked in IT sector. Dekho bhaiya, there is a common scenario is that we definitely get demoralized. But somehow you have to find the energy to go in a forward direction. And which way your success will come and which way the door will open, you never know. You never know when it will happen. So you should keep on working continuously. If you let down today, that means sure shot, nothing will happen tomorrow. Nothing is going to happen. So that frog, whichever is bothering you, catch that frog and eat that frog immediately. Bhaiya, we born on the earth naked and we'll go naked. Why are you so worried? You enjoy your life. Work extremely hard. Take a pride on the things that you do. Do you think that everybody will be all India rank 1? Or everybody will go to NASA? Or everybody will work for DRDO and ISRO? Everyone has your own charm. Come on, it's what life. So you should accept it. There is no denying fact. It should what? Accept it. You should accept it. Right, fine. Production part, sir, revision process boring, so how to manega? So how to manega? There is a revision process. If you say that it's a boring, then it's very difficult. My dear friends, if I say that it's boring, then how can it possible? If you think that it is boring, then you will not going to put your energy. It is never going to happen. It is never going to happen. So can I say that you have to believe that you're doing something special? You should be in that frame of mind. If not, then how exactly it is going to happen? Yes. Prepare for success. Complete MTech from NIT Warangal. You can prepare. If you want a job, then you should prepare. You should continue. And I'm telling you that next 2 years will be bumper for PSUs. Mark my words. 4 months are more than sufficient, my dear friend. Sanket, 4 months are more than sufficient. I'm damn sure that 4 months are more than sufficient. 4 months or more than, if you study properly, plan properly, if you keep your mental peace, I'm damn sure that this time is so sufficient, this time. गुड इवनिंग सर, ये गेट 2022 में ONGC का कितना कट ऑफ जाएगा आपके अकॉर्डिंग? देखो, नाउ इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द नंबर ऑफ थिंग्स, नंबर ऑफ वैकेंसीज आर देयर, राइट? एंड डिफरेंट सेक्टर में डिफरेंट वैकेंसी, डिफरेंट ब्रांचेस आर देयर. प्रोडक्शन गेट है, पेट्रोकेमिकल है, मैकेनिकल, एंड देयर आर सो मेनी. So basically I would say that below 500 to 600 you should get a call. Then selection process we don't know, right? Fine. You are student from ESE engineering. Oh my god, 19 batch. Good to see you. Mechanical के लिए sir, mechanical के लिए damn, you see that ONGC, how many recruitments and how many, the largest vacancies are there for mechanical. Today itself the ONGC vacancies are there, but these vacancies are for 2020 gate, 2022 gate. But again next year also there are bumper vacancies because election is coming. You want to understand that election is coming and damn sure vacancies are going to come. Nice to see you. Yes. Sir, please tell me how to prepare production part. देखो, production is very theoretical, right? Fine. So I will ask you simple thing that you first of all go through at least once fundamental, right? And then from that fundamental you segregate formulas, whether it's casting or welding or some other part. You segregate formulas, and then next time you keep on studying only formulas and try to implement these formulas while solving numericals. That will be easiest path. Because if you keep on reading all the fundamental, all theory continuously, so it will be boring for production. If I have basic and less knowledge, can I crack gate preparation? Dekho, there is nothing like basic and less knowledge. The moment you start studying, you'll get knowledge. It's all simple as that. If you start preparing, automatically knowledge will come to you. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. You can prepare. नहीं sir, मेरा 2700 rank था, तो ज़्यादा hope नहीं है. Yeah, right now. But if you prepare for gate examination 2023, there might be chances that you can score below 500 because already your foundation is built. Foundation is done, and then you can build a block on that foundation. There might be a chances. Who knows this, right? Fine. Jyoti Prakash, you can definitely go and bank on that. You should bank on that opportunity. You should not think whether I should appear or not. You go and give it, right? Fine. Pawan sir, oh Pawan, my dear Pawan sir. Yeah. Hopefully, dear friend. I also miss a lot. I also meet old days. That environment I missed a lot. Vijay Sai. And great to listen that about Pawan sir also. I cannot speak much on this platform, but I'm just missing that. Damn sure. BYJU'S only, that's great then. Then we'll see you in the production. Yeah, we'll see you in the production, we'll see you in the industrial. And I'll request you go and watch my videos on the async. It will be a best of, I would say that. You'll love that. So I would say that, sir, can I please tell us in order we have to prepare production? So I'll tell you that simple story. You go and start with metal cutting and then machining, most important, metal cutting, machining. Then you study casting, welding. I'm damn sure. Metal cutting, machining, casting, welding for production. Then you have to go and prepare for metal forming. These 5 chapters you have to must prepare. And then you can go for metrology. Metrology is lengthy. Then you can go for sheet metal, or you can go for NTM or advanced machining, and then metrology. That sequence. But first of all, metal cutting, machining, casting, welding, forming. These 5 chapters you should bank on as far as production is concerned. Yeah. You saw my YouTube session also. Yes. But you watch my videos in the async. I think so. You'll love it. I'm damn sure you'll love it. We are missing Shivam sir. Yeah, it's a darling, right? Darling Pawan sir, Shivam sir, and I'm so proud to share a dice. It's no words, Kalyan, no words. Prepare for success. Working in a BYJU'S Bangalore, preparing for. I'm sitting in the 2nd floor to see. Meet me sometime. It's a great. P or classes when starts sir for classroom. Let's see that number of batches are there. Already I'm taking 1 batch, Hindi batch. Right, fine. I passed MEI and I didn't prepare for GATE yet, and it's almost 1.5 years. I didn't open the book, and sometime I think I forget everything about my courses. Electrical, from where I have to prepare for basic. Let's see that Tej Raj, you have to put a lot of efforts. I'll not be wrong. I'll not be false. I'll speak truth. You have to brush up your fundamentals. No denying fact. Other, you can do one thing that you can purchase notes of GATE and then you brush up that, start preparing. Or either you go and associate it with some organization. BYJU'S is there also, right? Of course. And then you can start preparing your preparation. No denying fact. But you have to take efforts. Sure, sir, right? I smart. Thank you, sir. Thank you everyone. it is today I'm not feeling well, but as you come in so number, it gives me energy, right? I'm very thankful for that also, and I think so this is going to help you in your preparation. Such particular sessions regularly I'll come and I'll discuss different points, different problems of the students. I'll interact with the students and give the best of the strategy which will help your preparation in a coming days, right? Fine. Yes, Pratik, I understand that, and I respect all the views of casting and welding on YouTube. I'm definitely gonna do that for sure. Just give me some time. I'm too buried under some work, but definitely next month I'll definitely plan for that. It's my promise, because my existence is zero without you, right? As simple as that. सर और एक क्वेश्चन सर, लाइक मैंने 6 सब्जेक्ट्स के रिवीजन कर लिया, तो क्या सर अभी शुरू कर दूं टेस्ट सीरीज? ये टेस्ट सीरीज यू कैन अपीयर. देयर इज नो perfect time to start test series. More and more you practice, more and more confidence, speed and accuracy you'll get. As simple as that. More practice you do, you'll get confidence, you'll get clarity, you will get basically accuracy, and there is no denying fact. You can start preparing, right Pratik? Yes, this is my promise, and somehow I will complete it. That's my promise when I'm ready. Sir, please take class on YouTube. Yes. I'm just gonna take classes. We have certain plan, but now we'll come up. There are 2 topics which are there in my mind: casting and welding for production. Damn sure we are going to cover it. I'm damn sure. I'm sure, and I have to do it. It's my responsibility somehow, and you know that why. Right? Fine. Yes, sir. I will follow my role model APJ Abdul Kalam. Absolutely great people. And now I'll tell you one thing, that now people in recently I've seen that people say that this is, and some people are self-proclaimed God. I'm God of this subject, or students are saying this God of this subject. Are you nut or what? Are these gods so cheap? If such a kind of gods are there, I will not believe in this God. Don't say anyone, any faculty like a God. What is God? Do you understand the meaning of God? It's a very gravity word. We are just know something, right? And we are teaching. We are not gods. You understand it. You follow APJ Abdul Kalam sir. You follow great people on the earth. There are so many examples are there. Yes. Supriya, Suya Jayaraman, right? Fine. Thank you, sir. And sir, a small request, please bring production and industrial marathon, sir. Will help us. Right. You just join my Telegram channel, Production and Industrial by Ravindra Thube, or Ravindra Thube is my channel name. And you can join and just suggest me. Definitely we'll gonna come all the things which is required by the students, because anyway we have to take something on YouTube which is helpful to the students. It will give the collaboration of best things, right? Fine. Theory lectures on YouTube. Yes, we are planning theory lectures. So you can join BYJU'S Telegram channel also, and simultaneously you can join my personal Telegram channel to get my personal touch of expertise, or you can say expertise or whatever you want to say, because it's my view. I told you that whatever I spoke, it's my virtue and my views, right? Fine. So I hope so you must have enjoyed. I really thank you for joining, and this is a very wonderful and blasting session. Take care of yourself, mental peace and the good health, and wish you all the best for your examination. Thank you all.